you don't hear anybody talk about home ownership these days. It's all about housing affordability.
Right.
And what is that going to mean to county governments, especially those that are a property tax-based government,
Right.
as we move from an ownership society to a renter society? Nothing against renters, but I'm saying they got different incentives, and we've just got to think through what do we want as a society.
That's an interesting concept, and maybe that's one of those concepts that we discuss when we get together in October, because when I look at renters versus home ownership right here in Fairfax County, and then I look at the Alice population, there's a kind of an unbalance that I'm trying to figure out how we can move it forward to allow folks absolutely to have home ownership, but not be in a situation where it's check to check to check.
That's right. I mean, traditionally, home ownership was a way to get people engaged in a community.
Right.
It also turned out to be the retirement fund for a lot of folks, right or wrong, but it was really a way to generate wealth and transfer it from generation to generation, and we're moving away from that model.